Welcome to the Coral Classroom. There are many methods of gardening coral colonies and restoring reef populations. It is important to consider different strategies based on location, types of coral, funding, and goals. Let's learn more about the steps our Rescue Reef program uses for the restoration process. First, proper equipment must be acquired and built. Our research lab at the University of Miami's Rosenstiel School serves as a land-based nursery to house and grow corals we have collected. Our in-water nursery, located off Miami, consists of structures called coral trees. We build these coral trees using PVC pipes, fishing line, buoys to keep it afloat, and rope to secure it to an anchor. Next, donor coral fragments are collected from healthy wild reef populations. Corals of opportunity, or fragments that have broken off naturally, are a common source. These fragments are then moved to our in-water nursery to serve as the initial supply of corals for the gardening and restoration effort. In the nursery, corals are hung from the branches of the trees to maximize growth and survivorship. Our nursery is in a sandy area at a shallow depth, which allows the corals to get sufficient light and water flow necessary for their feeding and growth. Once corals are large enough, it is time to propagate. Snips are used to fragment a branch of coral off, stimulating a process called pruning vigor, where the coral rapidly heals and grows its branches. In 6 months to a year, one coral can grow 10 times its original size, providing more branches to be fragmented. This simple method allows for a sustainable and abundant supply of coral fragments. Fragments are collected from the nursery and are taken to a natural reef for outplanting. Larger fragments are attached to the reef using a special cement mixture. Smaller fragments are placed onto coral cookies to help stabilize and attach fragments to the reef. Once outplanted, corals are monitored to ensure healthy growth in the new reef ecosystem. Through coral gardening, our Rescue Reef team has outplanted over 40,000 corals, with citizen scientists restoring an additional 8,000.